it?
What is that, Mark?
I know.
Oh, what is that? Mark, open it, Kyle.
Whoa, fuck this.
Wow. Kyle, can you turn on the light here?
Yeah. Wow. Open this.
Wow, what is that, Mark? That's for you, Mark.
And you.
Oh, what is that? What's that, Mark?
I got present.
You've got a present from...
Great.
Great. Say thank you.
It's a gift.
What do you want to say? What do you want to say, Mark? Say thank you. Mark, can you say thank you?
Whoa.
Mark.
Whoa. Wow. Daddy, Mommy.
Yeah.
Question.
Is that for you?
A question.
What do you say? What do you say? What do you say, Kyle?
Thank you.
Say, Tita Annie, thank you.
Daddy, thank you. What's the gift card?